how to create custom roles and manage your repair shop employees with RepairSuite. To access our role management feature, simply go to Settings, then visit Role. Now we need to create a custom role for our employees. Simply visit Add New Role, enter a name for your role. For example, Manager. Select all of the permissions you want to provide for this user. I will deselect Shop Management and Branch Management along with Role Management and click Create. The role will be created successfully. You can view the permissions for a specific role by clicking on this button, or you can simply edit it. Next, we need to add our team members. Let's go to the Member tab and click Add Member. Let's fill up our member information. We have provided a name, username, designation, email, password along with other necessary information and have chosen the role Manager. Next, click Create. Our member has been created successfully. Now our repair shop member can successfully log into the system. Now our member will visit the login page and then enter the email and password that has been assigned for his account and click Login. When the member logs in for the first time, he will need to verify his email. He should receive an email automatically. If the email is not sent, simply click the Resend button. The user will receive a verification email. Simply click on the Verify Email button and the member's account will be activated. To remove a member from your shop, simply delete the member's account. After the member's account has been deleted, the member will simply lose access. And that's how easy it is to use our role management feature to manage your team members using RepairSuite.